Could you spark a lasting fire in a freezing blizzard using only dry birch bark and a steel blade, while wind lashes the face and snow stings the eyes? He moves with measured tempo, laying a compact windbreak from spruce branches, and then arranging a tight fire bed, tinder, and a small rock ring to reflect heat and protect the flame. The camera tightens on hands chopping kindling, coaxing flames from damp logs, and sealing in heat with a shallow snow trench as the storm roars. This setup buys precious minutes for warmth, signaling and rescue in brutal cold. Would you survive this test in the wild?